I'm Monica from the city of St. Catharines, and I just wanted to share a new recipe for some pumpkin dog treats. This is a really plain and easy recipe since one of my dogs is picky, so hopefully he likes them. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of pureed pumpkin, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of water, plus more if needed, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 egg. So first we're going to mix the pumpkin, coconut oil, and water. Then we're going to add in the flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and baking powder. Now we're going to add the egg. We're going to stir it in, and then if we need to add more water, we'll do so just to make it kind of one clumpy, somewhat sticky dough ball. So that should be okay because I should be able to form a dough ball with that. On a lightly floured surface, about a 1/4 inch thick or so. Should be good. Now use a cookie cutter to make your cookies any shape or size that you prefer for your pet. So place your cookie cutouts on a lined baking sheet and bake at 350 for about 30 minutes, depending on the size of your cookies, and then allow it to cool. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes and it smells great in here. These actually smell good enough for me to eat. That might also be the baby talking, but let's see how they turned out. They look pretty good to me. Let's do some taste tests now. Feel free to add bits of bacon or sausage or anything that your pet enjoys. Just make sure to refrigerate or freeze accordingly. Thanks for watching.